To get total net income, use formula B3 minus C3. Just press Enter and drag down to copy formula to all the cells. Now if we click on any cell, it shows that it has taken relative reference, which was done previously. Here's a shortcut. Select the entire column, enter formula only to the first cell, and press Ctrl plus Enter, which can save you time. To calculate the percentage of given data, use the formula B4/B3 and just press Enter and drag down to copy the formula to all the cells. To see the formula, go to the Formulas tab, click on Show Formula. In order to keep the B3 value fixed, go to the cell where the formula is already typed and press F4, drag down to copy the formula to all the cells. With reference to our data, we will be clicking on cell C6 and enter the formula B6*C5 and press Enter. Drag down to copy the formula to all the cells. As you can see, the answers are incorrect except for the first cell. To correct this error, click on Show Formulas on the Formula tab. Here, we need the first row and first column to be fixed, so click on the C6 cell and press F4, and drag it down to show the correct answers for the rest of the cells. Now if we drag on the right-hand side, you can still see incorrect answers. To correct this again, go to Show Formulas from the Formula tab, and correct the formula so that it doesn't multiply relative to the next cell. Clear the entire thing and type B6 and lock the B column by pressing F4, multiplied by C5, and lock this record by pressing F4. Press Enter, drag on to the right-hand side and then to the bottom. Just hide the formulas to see the final answer.